As you're aware that we have put up two committees specifically to look into the Khasi Jaintia and Garo tribe.
Kapakin bakin dan scientific ni bo kenda bet we kita theory kenda pension nong den na kita theory ki pair komno ban la man sei yaka taka sapang mai jo mi khasi kan jin ta ma phak chipon ke
Dao Chief Minister ni deng thang mancha program taring lepas cok badan research program sekarang ni aru khasirang ni wamang ni ma ambi ko sanjina geta takani kamera sekarang pada unggepa anthropological perspective ko bagian yang angane neka sekejat aru khasijat dia semua ni mancha iba dia semua wamang sungdong cingacem warangko sandi ni yarangko tikana kata mangen geni para jatni itihas ni geman pano ni mai take apa cingacem aba cingonya man sang jang mangba makna depet jatni itihas ko wina kata nambati wina kata aru okni wina kata aru wa wiaci maiba nambata ni rangko ban maiba gija segem rangko and do
a detailed research including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, to document different aspects of both the Khasi Jaintia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community.
Hakiru Challam gawa pure hanot Liberty Higher Secondary School Juai gawa yo Hakardan 8 position yang ke top 10 ke result HSSLC araja arpondro science stream wapen banada ke embos ni kesngi hawa kelam gawa gibothok kubor khana gawa maria tip ye ke result tip sap de ko nei bha memory yuluti go heite wat ipor yam welai kdung ga ye ke bay upa go Haya to wa ini inam iburam nengkong hi ingu go yo balai wa to lengba i chenia wa ingat yang ka ha o tepoy ke jagani kathong Nei te das ngangu gale ye vasikai u principal ki paralok wa waro ki wade e ikerchan yaka. Yuluti wareo nei baha kapatan hau ni usnem rap hergo lemba kala hau benai November yo yutip wato da ka CBSE patan kat wa i de pengkrek chwa i da ka embos patan. Das ngau du mensien baha tangwa kat wa yele ba o krek chitom tehi wukut hi mi so ikrek chitom da ong ka Hakiru Challam. Kana ro ko wana chwam ju emre jan go chaki wasikai tangwa mandapoi ka hagani ka skur katwa ki wasikai jan lut ki chwaro ki khna ta wan isngau ju we jan go chaki we wat hadu irkom khre kot le da tip sab ha ko heya to wa ka thong wa chaprang ongo wadaw ya khun nit chwa go Deiwa yuluti le u yu alat pure ha ki college warap biang hawa pun kut ye kelam kentu go bo chania ye ide we kat ibele hei im to ungaj we emlang ba ublai cherup na jrong wo chania ye lai luti Heju ipor ukre chitom we ngai le wa baro uman iwa biang khnang yo poi chaga thong wa mut wa mang
Actually, in the novel sedang I didn't expect much. But the pattern na ang bonus na perfect. Like initially, ang kamu November, kami the magla ang gitawa CBSE pattern. We were preparing like nandun na sedang ang the emboss pattern. It was now we has us now discourage high, but then still we work hard. As much as we can, and then in the end, work hard it pays off. It was, yeah, I'm overwhelmed. Nga mana kena hapok class then we close hard with the teachers campus, but then mana poi hengi and like chamo talk like like they were so friendly and all. Then let's now close now so at them okay. The for class 11 then I'm on how adapt talk shift for the director. Then we adapt, but then mana for class 12 that is now so hard to come crack on the mode that tips up, you know. You pidang 11, we thought 10 to 11 the science party. When become a big step ahead there, you pair hard. Then memory on 11 or you that behind there, but then class 12 one thought what do you adapt with teachers with studies there you practice. There's something that was very good. I remember on top like start how physics, but then prepare it kat wa ang bay top best teachers ini lah, ang bay art teachers yang physics that they was so good and what board bay kat wa ang kam tu le, the practice numericals and all. The kamte ha ang bay wa top one physics ang ba hanus nam le hasil jadi tinggal duna decision, but then ang top wa classmate of them start physics ki, but then they were so good also. They were talk about what up they said tang wam expect of your distinction in physics. Tang wam talk was that biang ang kasa. Tang wa kami on the ite your distinction in that. I'm grateful to God. For our juniors, the next seniors, I just want to say that whatever you do in your life, just remember, firstly, priority to put God first, and then remember to always work hard because ang baik the Christian them MU bitray pite the with the ang baik with them talk was start happy more less than your average, but then with the Christian you can always reach the top. And I believe with hard work we can always reach whatever we want to. In the morning when we got the result, it was quite late. The result was I checked the result at 11 a.m. but then it came out at 11:25, I guess. So initially my sister checked my result and I saw that I got distinction in all the subjects. So I was quite nervous and I didn't expect that I would reach in the top 10 list. But then one of my teacher called me and she said that I got in the 8th position. So that was I don't know, like initially I don't know how to react, but then I just cried and I hugged my mother and my father. So yeah, and but then when I knew that I got in the top 10 list, so firstly I thank God that it is because of him that I reached in this position right now. It's because of the trust and the belief I put in him that he gave me this much blessing. So I'm really thankful to him, and I want to express my gratitude to my teachers, to the principal, and then to my friends, to my family who always supported me, and yeah. So my future plan right now it is to attend the NEET next year. So hopefully I'll be able to get in the top colleges, and yes, that's my future plan right now. The message that I want to give to all the people who watch this, either to my juniors or to my seniors, I just want to say that believe in yourself. Whatever you do in your life, just remember that God is always with you. Your family is also with you, and most importantly, trust in yourself. Trust the process. Though it may seem difficult right now, but then if you keep on working hard, if you keep on believing that everything will be alright, then you will reach the destination. Thank you.